Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 means the data capturing in real time. So it depends how you are capturing your data and what kind of data you are capturing in real time. It depends on you. So most of the companies and the most of the industry using IoT, Internet of Things, using for capturing the quantity, the production value, the dispatch value. So it depends. So what you are capturing by using Industry 4.0. So here we have an example. Here we use IoT Industry 4.0 to capturing the holding furnace temperature and real time, as you can see on your screen. So we are capturing the real time holding furnace temperature, correct? So let's say we talk about the holding furnace 2. Okay, so here we have a set temperature 645 degree and the real time temperature is 638 degrees centigrade. Okay, and with that we are also capturing the real time kilowatt hour. It means uh, how much kilowatt hours this particular holding furnace is consumed from the beginning of this shift. So we are using this IoT for monitoring and capturing the real-time holding furnace data. And I just forgot to tell you this IoT we have implemented in this company Aligarh Die Casting. Okay, so the Aligarh Die Casting is one of the company who are leading and towards to adapting new technology to improve their productivity, improve their quality of casting, improve their process so that the customer satisfaction is the top priority. Okay, so here we implemented this IoT. Okay, so what are the benefit and what we are capturing? We will talk about this in this video. Okay, so let's start with the this clock dial. Okay, so this clock dial show the real time kilowatt consumption. Okay, how much kilowatt this holding furnace consumed in the real time. For example, let's say we talk about holding furnace 4. So now this holding furnace on a 39.7 kilowatt. Okay. So now this holding furnace it's consuming 39.8 kilowatt. Okay. And this IoT start from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Then it will connect or reset by 8 p.m. So this data, yeah, it means 106 kilowatt hour unit, 106 power unit, electricity unit consumed from the 8 a.m. to now. Now it's 3:30 p.m. Okay, when I'm making this video, so it's almost 7 and 7.5 hour electricity consumption for this particular holding furnace. Okay, and now if we talk about this set temperature. So this is the temperature we set on this holding furnace, and the real time temperature is 664. And there one more feature we have. If we uh, click on this set indicator, so here we also can set the temperature from this window also. Okay, so this is the one of the feature. Okay, now if we come to the lower part of this window. So here we can see we have a 12 holding furnace and the blue color of this bar is showing the how much unit, how much kilowatt hour, how much electricity unit this particular holding furnace is consumed by the real time. Okay, so we can monitor, we can see this holding furnace 7 is consuming more unit as compared to the other all holding furnace. So this is the one screen. Okay, if we press F2, so we have another screen. In that we can see that by the over the period of time, shift wise, like red color is A shift, yellow color is B shift on the 1st of July. This is the 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July. It's now up to the 12th July. So now further, this furnace may be off or not in a running condition. As you can see here, this data is showing for the holding furnace 1. If you click on the holding furnace 2, so this data in real time showing for holding furnace 2. Okay, and you can see if the this signal Wi-Fi signal is in a stop mode. So it means this holding furnace is not running or not in a working condition. If we click on the another holding furnace, so this data is changed for the holding furnace number 3. Okay, so we can see by the over the period of time we can differentiate by shift how much consumption, uh, uh, shift wise we can monitor all these data. Okay, so we have a yeah, this is the current ampere. You all know that we have three phases holding furnace, so all three phase individual phase how much current they are consuming, so we can also monitor that. And the one more benefit from out of it, it's you can monitor the efficiency of your heater by the consumption of the current ampere. See, here's a little bit difference between 62 59 R by B phases. Okay, if we go to this furnace, so here we can see 36, 41, 43. See, if the ampere consumption for the particular heater is lower than other heaters, it means the efficiency of that particular heater is going down. And if the difference is more, so it's time to change that heater. Okay, so this is the one of the reason to monitor this current ampere of each phases. So yes, one yes, here we also can see the actual temperature, real time temperature. Okay, and the one more thing I will show you, if we go to the first screen. Yeah, this is the screen. So if we click on this chart, double click on this chart. Okay, if we click on this dial, double click. So here we can see the real-time X bar chart for the temperature variation. Okay, by the over the period of time. So here you can see only this is the time the temperature is going above the 700. Okay, if we click on that, yes, here we can see there are two times. Maybe the when the metal is pouring in holding furnace, that was the time, peak time. Otherwise, this is the variation. So we can also monitor and generate the report shift wise, how much metal temperature difference holding furnace to holding furnace, so that we can control and we can put the control on that variation. If the so this is our thought. If we using IoT industry 4.0 by monitor and control our input process input. This is the one only one basic input we are monitoring at the point from the point of process monitoring. And the second is we are also monitor the electricity consumption by by the shift or date or by the holding furnace. Okay, so that we are also monitoring the uh, uh, ampere ampere consumption heater wise, so that we can monitor the efficiency of heater and the by the time or by before the deficiency of the heater, we can change that particular heater. And also we can change our set temperature from here only. Okay, so this is our use. If you are guys looking for IoT Industry 4.0 for your process and you want to make IoT for your die casting like this, so you can contact us. We will definitely help you. Thank you. Thank you very much.